Hello, this is Carmen, and I'm in my living room right now, and I wanted to show you my DT project that I've made for Nadezdha. She is called Marchena Design, and I got her DT kit last week, and I was so inspired and made this DT project. I've used 2 hoops in there. I made a house. But I'm going to tell you about that later. First of all, I'm going to be moving my camera a little bit closer to the project. And if you can see, a lot of trims are dangling down there. And the gingerbread doll, Patricia made it. And it was in my DT kit. So I love it. And I put it under there because yeah, it wasn't it was big enough, but not but too big for to put it on top of the house or a little bit on the side of the house. But yeah, I think you know what I mean. Okay, I'm going to get closer now to my project. I've used the dolly that was in the kit and the pom-pom trim I put on the inside. A little bit different than normal, but I thought it was very funny, and you can see the pom-poms very good in this way. Yeah, I glued it all on the inside, the dolly, and yeah, I leave the wood from the embroidery hoop like it is, and this one also. On here, I don't know if you can see it, I've used the Minte paper and the yeah, how do you call it? Oh my god. It's a little bit of fabric I put on top of there. And I've used the paper cuts that are fussy cutted. And I put it on the side. It's also it's Minte paper. This is also Minte paper with put flowers on there. And on here there's a piece. And yeah, I've used a tree and that I cut in half so you can glue it in the right way on the project, and it's not too big then. And I put a star on there that's also in the kit. And yeah, the house is made with the new Tim Holtz dies. I love that, and it's not too difficult. It looks difficult, but it isn't. No, I've used the wood texture fades. I'm going to show you which one. On the house, I've used this one. These are the mini texture fades, and it's awesome. And I've used this one, the bricks on the chimney. Look. Yeah. As snow, I've used grit paste. So, and the roof I painted black, and I've used some paint with a brush, and yeah, then it looks like this. I will put a link to a tutorial in the description box below how to alter this. It's very easy. And I've used my crayons on the chimney and a vintage photo and some crayons on the front of the and the sides of the house. The doors paper, and yeah, I put some moss under here. You can't see it because a little bit here over here, but it's covered with wild orchid craft flowers and a lace flower that was in the kit. Under here is a lace flower too. I don't think you can see it. I have to focus it here, under here, and a tiny flower that was in the kit. And wild orchid craft flowers were not in my kit, but I think I asked her, she will put it in the kits that you can buy, the November kit. So there will be wild orchid flowers also in the kit. The lace was in the kit, except this blue one and the hearts. There are blue ones in the kit also, but I thought they were too pretty to put under the hoop. So I will use them in another project where I have to focus. And of course the gingerbread doll. I love it. Very cute. And it goes all the way down. So you get a lot of trim. And yeah, this is my project for Nadezdha for Marchena design of the month of November. I think she will put up a video of the kit this week, but I'm not sure. But oh well, I will put a link in the description box to her channel. And yeah, I also want to show you that I have lights in there so you can light it up like this. You can't see it in daylight, but a little bit, I think. So the Christmas tree has lights, and the house also. So this is my DT project of the month of November, and for Marchena design. And yeah, if you have questions, just let me know. Yeah, I will get back to you then. Okay, thank you all for watching, and bye bye.